Hi, it's Liz from Sew for Home, here with my friend George Jetson to help me bestow the official Jetson seal of approval on our latest embroidery designs. Our Atomic Machine Embroidery is a retro set including designs, an alphabet, and helpful tutorials. You get 3 complete designs: Happy Hour, Open Kitchen, and the stylized black cat. You also get the individual atomic particle starbursts, the full alphabet that we used, and a bonus set of background diamonds to build your own lettering banners. So all this mid-century magic is thanks to a sponsorship from Janome America, and the entire design set is offered as free downloads in 7 popular machine embroidery formats. It is also thanks to Janome Machines that our stitch outs look so beautiful. Now, we use the top-of-the-line Janome Continental M17, which is a sewing and embroidery machine. And the tutorials I mentioned do feature steps and screenshots from that model to show how to build words using the atomic alphabet, as well as the alphabet with those cool background diamonds. Let's take a closer look at some of my favorite things about this collection. Atomic style is all about big, bold blocks of color in interesting shapes. So we concentrated on sharp edges and flat fills with just small pops of color, like the cat's eyes and the pimentos in the olives. The alphabet is all caps, and you can see that the letters have an uneven baseline. So to make it easier to keep things straight, we included a line of basting stitches to help with alignment, and we included a tutorial. The classic atomic particle starbursts, they're separate elements, so you can add them in 2 different sizes like we did here. And I totally love these background diamonds. Our digitizing master here at Sew for Home is Michelle Mishler, and she pulled these diamonds from the main Open Kitchen design so you could use them to build your own words with sets of 3, 4, and 5 diamonds. And yep, there is a tutorial for this too. You can also download a standard set of templates, of course, a color chart, and there's even a tutorial showing how we made our towels. Now, of course, you don't have to use the designs on towels. They would look incredible on t-shirts or jean jackets, totes, pillows, napkins, you name it. Okay, full disclosure. We do realize not everyone has access to an embroidery machine, but by coming up with amazing designs like this, well, we hope you'll be inspired to find out more about adding machine embroidery to your sewing space. We love our Janome machines, and we recommend taking a look at the full selection at your local dealer. You know, there are even Janome embroidery only machines, so if you already love your sewing machine, no worries. You can add embroidery to your sewing space without breaking the bank. Now, back to Orbit City and to the Atomic Embroidery. It's all available now, free to you at Sew for Home, and George and I hope that you will check it out. Thanks for listening, and happy sewing.